Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we're going to draw and color a brand new number block, Numberblock 2300. Let's get started. First, draw a big rectangle. This will be the main body of Numberblock 2300. Now, inside the body, draw one vertical line, 4 horizontal lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. These lines make the big block sections. Next, draw a small rectangle inside the body. This part represents the 300 blocks. Now draw 40 vertical lines inside the big block area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Yay! We reached 40. That's F-O-R-T-Y. After that, draw 58 horizontal lines. We have 5 big sections, and each section has 400 tiny blocks. All right, everyone, let's count together.
Time is fun. Number blocks appear alive. Every number we create, one by one they come alive. This magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside. Fill it soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers. Make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow. This drawing time feels so alive. Number blocks are happy friends.
400,
Helps our minds to thrive. Count with me 1 to 10. Let the colors start again. 11, 12, 13, 14. Every block becomes a friend. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
800,
Count them slow, then count them fast. We are learning all the numbers. This knowledge always stays and lasts. Tick tock, drawing time never stops. Color softly, color lightly, make the picture never drop. Color the blocks one by one, fill it in and let it shine. Drawing every single square makes number blocks look so divine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we
1200,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can start it all again. This is learning with our heart. This is fun and this is art. Drawing every little part makes the magic truly start. Color the top, color the bottom, color the middle, in between. Every shade and every tone makes the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all combine. Drawing number blocks of love makes every picture look so fine. Now we finish nice and slow, step by step and line by line. Take a breath, enjoy the view. Number blocks look super fine.
1600,
Every day we can color, we can count. Every number block we make gives imagination an amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun. Drawing and coloring, everyone. Color and count.
2000.
Learning numbers.
Great job! The block structure is ready. Now move to the top and draw a crown. This makes number block 2300 look powerful. Draw the circles on top, just above the face. Now draw both eyes. Big circles, pupils in the center. So cute. Nice and round.
Every stroke is clean and slow.
Next, draw the eyebrows above the eyes. Draw a happy smile and add the inside cheek line to make it look friendly. Now draw both hands. On the left hand, draw a watch. Draw 2 legs at the bottom and add the shoes.
We can blend it, make the colors match and mix. Drawing
Fantastic work! You've drawn number block 2300.
1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them.
Now let's color him in and bring him to life.
10 blocks
Start coloring.
in a line.
Use black, B-L-A-C-K, to color the eyes. Blink your eyes once.
Careful hand.
Now color carefully inside the eye shapes.
Number blocks can make a stand. Every color brings a feeling. Every line brings new design. Learning math and art together makes the brain.
Now use dark blue, D-A-R-K-B-L-U-E, to color the eye outlines, eyebrows, both hands, both legs. What are we coloring now? Hands or legs? Say it out loud.
Neat and keep it right. Drawing number blocks together is a happy, joyful sight. Color corner, color center. Fill each box from left to right. Make the picture super pretty, shining, glowing, clean and bright. We are artists, we are learners, we are builders full of dreams. Drawing and coloring number blocks is stronger than it seems.
Next, choose pink, P-I-N-K, and color the smile and the watch belt with pink. Smile while coloring. Big smile, bigger, biggest.
When we try, when we learn and when we play, number blocks make funny moments every single drawing day. Now we finish one creation, but tomorrow we will draw.
Now use color green, G-R-E-E-N, the shoes and the watch dial with green. Can you find something green near you? Point to it.
Big power, coloring number blocks makes every minute like a flower. Color and count, count and color, just like this and like no other. Drawing numbers, building fun, every block is number 1. Pick a color, pick a shade, let the
Now pick light orange, LIGHTORANGE, and color the large 2000 block area. Hold up your light orange color. Is it light? Is it orange? Yes, let's go. Slow coloring challenge. Color slowly and neatly. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Keep going. Big number talk. This part equals 2,000 blocks. Say it with me. 2,000. Again, 2,000. Wow, that's a big number. Count by 100s. While coloring, let's count. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Keep going. 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000.
Pick a color, pick a shade, let the drawing time begin. Make a square and stack another, build the number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative, this is how the numbers grow. Color softly, color gently, fill the picture nice and bright. Red and pink and purple, yellow, turn the page into delight. We can shade it
Fast or slow? When I say fast, color fast. When I say slow, color carefully. Fast, slow, fast, slow. Great listening.
Let's begin our drawing time, nice and calm and slow. Grab your paper, grab your colors, let the numbers grow. Every number block starts a shape, simple, clean and clear. Drawing lines in little boxes brings the numbers near. Draw a square and add another, build them one by one. Stack them tall or wide across, learning has begun. Lines are straight and corners neat, take your time and see. Every block we draw today builds creativity. Now we color carefully, fill each space with care. Choose a color that you love and spread it everywhere. Blue can feel so cool and calm, red is strong and bright. Yellow shines like morning sun, making pictures light. Color softly, color slowly, stay inside each side. Every shape.
Find the color. Look around. Can you find something light orange? Point to it. Number jump. Let's jump in numbers. 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Again. 1,000, 1,500, 2,000.
Simple, clean and clear. Drawing lines and little boxes brings the numbers near. Draw a square and add another, build them one by one. Stack them tall or wide across, learning has begun. Lines are straight and corners neat, take your time and see. Every block we draw today builds creativity. Now we color carefully, fill each space with care. Choose a color that you love and spread it everywhere. Blue can feel so cool and calm.
Final touch. Look carefully. Any white spaces left? Color them nicely.
Time to draw the number blocks. Let's begin to D. Take your pencil, take your crayons, let's create and play. Start with simple shapes and lines, nice and slow and neat. Every little box we draw makes learning feel complete. Draw a block and draw another, stack them side by side. Every number starts with shapes, watch them grow with pride. Lines go up and lines go down, corners strong and square. Drawing number blocks together shows how much we care.
Finish line countdown. Let's finish together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done!
Numberblocks is learning mixed with fun. Color gently, color neatly, stay inside each line.
Now pick orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, to color the balls on top of the crown. Which is darker, orange or light orange? Point to it.
Drawing and coloring together makes the numbers come to life. Let's start counting.
Now color the crown with red, R-E-D. Red is a strong color. Say strong while coloring.
7, 8, and 9, 10 blocks standing tall. Counting while we color makes learning best of all. Add more blocks and count again. Numbers grow.
Finally, color the 300 blocks with yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Drawing helps our brains grow strong.
Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, and 300. Yay! We reached 300. That's THREEHUNDRED. Each row adds 10 blocks, and all 30 rows make 300 blocks in total. Great job, super learners! You did an amazing job drawing and coloring Numberblock 2300. You colored, you counted, you played games, and you learned big numbers. Let's learn together. 2300 equals 2000 plus 300. 2000 is spelled T-W-O-T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 300 is spelled T-H-R-E-E-H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Numberblock 2300 says, I'm strong, smart, and shiny. I'm made of 2,300. See you next time with another fun number block. Great job, super learners! You did an amazing job drawing and coloring Numberblock 2300. See you next time with another fun number block.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.